Welcome YouTube, back here Parkside Kia, lovely Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm Brandon. This beautiful man beside me is...
My name is Nick. I'm one of the sales consultants here.
Alright, I'm senior sales consultant. This is my right hand down here guy. Just kidding. He started when I did. So anyways, what this video is just to do a tour of the dealership. I guess I really don't need this anymore. So yeah, follow us in. Nick, you want to grab that door? Oh, per state law. Welcome to our lovely showroom. Here as you step in will be our receptionist. If you just are walking in off the street, one of us salespeople will probably get to you before you walk in the door. Actually, most likely we will. But whether if it's for service or parts, any one of us will help guide you to where you need to go. But let's ask ourselves, why Parkside Kia? There's probably, if you're in within 100 miles, you probably pass 6 or 7 Kia dealerships before you get to this one. Well, some fun facts about this dealership is we were ranked #1 in Tennessee last year, and we are still #1. Our service department is
Ranked top 10 in the nation at customer satisfaction.
and our master mechanic is ranked in the top 3 out of every store. That's about 800. Also, we're the only dealership to give you, I'm going to keep walking this way. We're the only dealership to give you a lifetime powertrain warranty. Now what is that? That's unlimited time, unlimited miles. Looks something like this. Alright, this is everything that it's going to cover. And you're like, well, oh, that sounds too good to be true. Nope, it's not. We give it to you. It's a courtesy of us. How much will it cost? Boom, right there. It says $0. What you got to do to keep that current is you have to come here on your 60 days prior to your 7-year anniversary, come in for your free powertrain inspection at this location. Other than that, you can keep up with your warranty work, your oil changes at any dealership. We're not going to be stingy on you and say you have to come to this one specifically. We get it. You may drive up here from Atlanta just to get this. So we're not going to make you drive all the way back up here for an oil change. But we'd love you to. Of course, we want to keep your business. The whole part about this store, Mike Rezzi owning it and how he likes to do things on social media is he likes to provide the customers with the utmost best quality of customer service. So by doing that, you guys love us, love the dealership, spread the love, spread the word. Come on over, I'm going to show you our service department and parts. So as we walk around, this here is the new K5. You've seen me on a couple videos showing that. Right over here, the glass, that's our BDC, our internet department. Can't really show you that right now because we got live people in there working, but let's go through the dealership. Actually, I want to detour right over here. More on why Kia. Nick, read them off. What do we got here?
Right here we have 2018 Sales Elite, then we have Dealer of Excellence Parkside Kia 2020, Dealer of Excellence Parkside Kia 2019, Dealer of Excellence Parkside Kia 2018, another one with 2017, and another one with 2016.
Leading us into this right here. Top 2% globally, all Kia stores for customer service. That means that you are the most important part of Parkside Kia. Not selling the car, not us making money, but what can we do for you? All right, if you buy a car from us, if you allow us to help find the right vehicle for you, we're gonna keep calling you and asking what can we do for you. It's not a, hey, I want a referral, hey, come on in, buy another car. It's, hey, can I do anything for you? Do you want me to bring you lunch? If you seriously ask me that, I will do it for you. Hopefully you live within 30 minutes. So coming on through, this is just more of the awards we've gotten. Courtesy bathrooms, both male and female. Our parts department right back here. Notice the large glass window. You can see your vehicle being worked on. But you can actually see our mechanics. Cameraman that way. Big bay window. You can see your car right in there being worked on. so that you know that we're not just standing back there twiddling thumbs. We're actually doing what we're supposed to be doing, taking care of you, making sure that every part of the vehicle is top-notch and safe, because what's important to you is important to us. Otherwise, we wouldn't have a thriving dealership. Jim?
There's a couple more things.
We're actually live on YouTube right now, and I wanted to introduce our top-notch service department. So YouTube, this is Jim.
Hello, I'm Jim. Just wanted to probably reiterate what they've been saying, just trying to provide the best customer service that we possibly can. We're open 8 to 6 Monday through Friday, Saturdays 8 to 2, by appointment, quick oil changes, everything we can do to make your Kia run smooth and run correct. And that's all I have to say for today.
Thank you, Jim Richards.
Not a problem.
So while you're here waiting on your vehicle, you've got complimentary Starbucks machine. I recommend the chai latte. It's amazing. When I first started here, I didn't know you weren't allowed to have one as an employee. You had to pay for that. So I was having like 4 of them a day until my manager was like, "Hey, are you drinking chai lattes?" I'm like, "Is this a trick question?" And I'm like, "I mean, it's there." Well, anyways, long story short, he said, "Don't do it again." Cool. Complimentary snacks, water. As our guest, you all can have as much of this as you'd like. You got hot chocolate, coffee, that chai latte, hot water, tea, sugar, creamer, spice, everything nice. So guys, this concludes our tour of the dealership. We hope that you consider us in your next car buying experience. You can reach us at 865-531-4000. Again, I'm Brandon. This is Nick Wicker, and thank you for tuning in today.